Well, Andy, at least I feel like I've gotten to know you better since you spent the last 3 hours fucking me in the ass.
This has been fun.
Yeah. Well, you know what one gentleman does when he beats another gentleman in cards? Buys him drinks.
I'm Dave.
Oh, crap. I gotta get going. I'm gonna go meet Ella for a little late night action, you know? This girl's like that. She'll do anything. Everything's on the table. She is game. She reminds me of this other girl I had. Yeah, she used to love fellatio. Everywhere we went, she used to want to do it. We went to go see this one movie, Ace Ventura, Pet Detective. And yeah, well, she's going for it, right? And like, the guy who worked there saw us, right? But he didn't even stop us. He just watched. It was kind of gross.
Wait a minute. Was this Ace 1 or Ace 2?
It was the first one.
That story's over 10 years old. You don't have a sex story that happened in this millennium.
Fuck you, Andy.
Lame. Unbelievable. So lame.
Fine then. You tell a good sex story, huh?
I don't think so.
Oh, come on. Give me a good one. Give me a good dirty one. The dirtiest thing you've ever done.
I say I'm a gentleman.
Give me a break. Look at you. You're a freak. Come on. Give me a good one.
Okay. Well, I remember this girl once. She loved having sex. She was so into it. We'd be having sex and she'd be screaming, "I love it!" It was so good. It was like you were saying. She wanted to do it on the kitchen table. I came home and she was on the kitchen table naked, but she wanted me to nail her.
Did you nail her?
Oh, I nailed her so bad. We were swinging from the chandelier. She was crazy. It was never enough of her. Never enough.
Oh, yeah? What was her name?
Tendra. Man, it was crazy.
Sounds crazy.
I'm embarrassed to even talk about it. God, I was really into it too. It was so much fun.
Yeah? Did you like to talk during sex?
Oh, she was talking the whole time. I was hitting it big time. Just hit it. She could barely walk and then hit it. It's not boring.
Sounds like you used to really do it.
Oh, I did her stomach.
Tell me what her boobs were like.
Oh, they were good. They were good.
Nipples?
Yep, nipples.
No, what were they like?
Oh, they were good ones.
Detail.
Well, they were like $1. Like $10.
What?
Well, like 10 times a night.
10 times?
Maybe 20.
Wow. You last long?
Oh, yeah.
How long?
An hour.
Oh, screwing?
Yeah. Well, sometimes a little less.
Wow. 10 times? That would at least take 10 hours. Do you rest in between?
No, I don't think
Just start right up.
Why not? Why waste time?
Sex with you, that would like take a whole day.
Yeah. Oh,
Wow. Do you use protection?
oh, sometimes I really do.
Rubber or a sponge?
I always use a sponge. Sometimes 2 at a time. What do you do?
Sponge. But what about backdoor?
Oh, we were doing back door, side door. We were doing all the doors.
No, you don't know what I'm talking about?
Sure.
Oh my God.
What?
Oh, and this is on what? Virgin. What?
Oh, shut up, Jack. Okay. Tell Tandra that. And I'm a virgin. Tandra's a virgin too.
You are, man.
Not that that was 10 times.
Man, no,
Come on. That's funny. This is fun. When did you lose your virgin?
no, man. You don't get it. You never popped your cherry.
Leave me alone. You're being mean.
I'm not being mean. I want to help you. I want to get you laid, man.
Come on. Very funny. I'm not a kid. I'm 25. You can't tell me what to do.
Now just calm down, Andy. I got this all
This
right.
is bullshit. Total bullshit, man.
I'm sorry?
You've invaded my privacy. This isn't funny. This is my life. I'm fine. My life is fine.
All right, your life is fine. I just thought that maybe it needed a little push, you know?
I don't need a push. You ever think that some people find sex sacred? This is not a game. This is a choice.
A choice. choice to be a virgin. I'm sorry, Andy. I didn't realize you were so religious.
Well, I am. Okay, I'm not, but it's my own personal choice.
Well, why would you make that choice? I mean, oh, Andy, just breathe.
There's more to life than sex. I don't need sex. Why is that so important to everyone? What's the big deal?
Well, I mean, I guess it's not a big deal if you're happy the way your life is, but Andy, you have to ask yourself, are you really happy? I mean, don't you ever wonder if there's something bigger out there, you know?
I don't think it's a full life. What am I missing?
I don't know. You're not just missing out on sex. I mean, you're missing out on relationships. How often do you leave your apartment? And what about friends and love and taking chances? And well, most of all, you're missing out on sex, man. That's the best thing on earth, you know? I mean, you can't live through your entire life without experiencing that, man. Not experiencing that is shutting you down from everything else.
You know, we've been working together for like 3 years now. And I think this is the first time we've had a conversation that's lasted more than 15 seconds.
Well, you see, good things are already happening.
So, what can I do?
Just come out with me and the guys tonight. No pressure. We'll just have some fun.
I don't want to have sex with anyone.
Don't worry. You won't have sex with anyone.